channel. I hope you all are doing good. And Kesha hai kit kottai jeli pa it's already 10:20 is up early, and it's like after Easter I think so. I like vlog करू म्हाका time मेळना, and today I'm not going to vlog. I'm just going to talk about a few things which I experienced in these 3 days and before also. Okay, and rockdown. I'll do a short video. I won't be showing anything because even though अजूनपासून नेसना is because of work related things only. And like has भरपूर order है first of all, and like has a business most who will agree with me are the people who do business. मोठ्या बारीक जावं व्हडले जावं कसले business is a business. आपणागे ते कोणागे चोन पयशे कोन कोनाय न्हू अजाण कोताय different thing, but yeah, when it is your own of your hard earned money then it hits different. And when you have a proper this is like to kona nagoina chonna and that kind of thing. Okay, so akko this busy. Okay, and कित्या लागोन ते सांगता basically what happened was जेन कोण order कोता कितें जावं t-shirt or beat candles कितें जाता is like केदो मेटले दियास. So ours is 1 week time we give. Obviously बेगीनूच जाता 2 दिसांपासून जाता, but 1 week we give. But if you want it urgent it's extra money. Okay, and we have increased our rates as well. It's nothing to do with rates because you know most people सगळे कडे एकाच जाता तेकाच जाता सगळेच जाता, and then whatever they find cheapest or what is to their convenience and their budget they do. Okay, and some people be like certain things are like for some people it's expensive, for some people it's like affordable, and okay, understandable. So जेन कोण ऑर्डर दिता आतां मिसा ते केदो जाय अर्जंट जाय म्हणटाय. Okay, so we charge okay accordingly, and then but the person doesn't come to pick up only. Like if you want it sussegat, you're wasting your money also, and you're making us also hurry and do things. Okay, though we are at a benefit because we are charging extra, but like Johan Muttu to पहिलो आसा business kota, so he has that business idea, everything he has. Okay, and I don't take like whatever I don't know I ask him because he has an upper hand in this. Like profit is very important, definitely how to make business and all. And but I am one person like Asu Bongo in business that doesn't work. And yeah, I make my boundaries clear in business, but sometimes most of them khalti rapa pot, and sometimes when it is has reached that level, no, like water has crossed that level, you have to okay. And then basically it is not a full-time business, it is a half-time business because whether he's in Goa or he's not in Goa, it's always a half-time. It's not like okay he comes for vacations, right? So te भाशेन. And so आमगे कितें after 4:30 you can pick it up. Okay, if we say come for any day after 4:30 it is our fault. Okay, so आमगे 4:30 to 7 o'clock you can pick up. Okay, and Paul Muttu we should not entertain people who coming to check material or check the sizes and all, because basically when you send a size chart, if you don't know your own size that is a different case, but then slow they start केलें like okay fine हांवें हें केलें आसूं न्ही like आमीच मोदें उलोवप जाता की मटेरियल कोण चोपयता, बट हांव एशें कोन्न चिंत्ता की एक कडेन लोकां स्कॅम कोताय लोक लायक पयस चड घेताय आनी मटेरियल बेश्टे आसताय. सो हांव जाणा तें चोयलें एक सेल्फ सॅटिस्फॅक्शन आसता, सो आय मेड इट ओके फायन एंड जालें. So we have started okay fine कोण येता in the size जाल्यार size चोयन दी and let them be at peace. Okay, so because हांव कितें situation जालें न्हू, I'm putting myself over there first. Okay, and then so now what recently or whatever it is we have done like this that konaku like someone can you like someone can I come tomorrow, we'll be like no we are not open at we are not open, we are not there because the other works also like DTF collect korpa pota mark like all that raw materials. Okay, most probably for a business owner these people will understand more. Okay, because when you don't have people working for you, you're the only like you're the person doing it, you're the worker, you're the labor, you're everything. Okay, you have to use your brain in all angles when there is no help. And okay Arey, just 1 minute guys. So that is the case. So be it friend, be it family, be it kono, if it is a real person they don't out discount, they instead support you. Okay, Papa, a quality barya, sagle barya, and we have, we have kept our rate cheaper so that people are attracted. We keep it at a reasonable rate. Okay, kita aaj to kai sawai mein na, as year comes, everyone increases their rate. Okay, and so काल I'm waiting. Okay, like ऐसा मग आज झालं ना बरे पयर बी झालं. This is one situation where okay, the person said I'm coming. I said come between so and so to so and so. The whole day the person is not there. Okay, so when a day is given, बाबा उमक्या मुनीस उमके like okay, और जान उमके टाइमार येतो मुठाय नो range दिते. Okay, so if I said come and I give a range, say you can come on certain day from here and here, it is understandable. No, meaning येवपाक शकता, but when the person say आपण फाल्यां, then I be like okay, I'll stay back and I'll, because the person is coming, no, so you wait, you make your own time, so you should respect people's time, no, not because okay I'm te poishan geta, and all that. We also put a lot of efforts, time and all na in doing all this. So like आमका भी कोण appointment देता, see it is like when it goes to doctors and all, people are very early because they respect. Okay, meaning profession wise असते. I know that लोक सारखे टायमार वच जाणा, some people who are always like that time का think value असना काय असना, they always like that. So I am a person, I like value time. Okay, very much. आमका भी not only doctor, be it anyone's appointment, we should appreciate the person's time. कित्याक तो मनीस टायम काडटा फॉर सो एंड सो, कित्याक त्या टायमार तूं येना तो मनीस आनीक काम करता, कोण एश कोन. It doesn't mean like एकू ऑर्डर आसा तेंगे ऑर्डर येयली म्हूण आम like we value all orders as one. आम चड ऑर्डर येताय म्हूण आतां काय ना, तुगे ऑर्डर नाका, आम भरपूर येता एश कोन ना तें. Whether you for me it is like that. हांव when we started also, for us every order was a great order. Now also we are having so much order, still I have no attitude regarding that. Some people have, they know their story. Okay, my point is halti रावल्या काय जायना. Okay, because some people are unknown, understood, no, but people respect you when like if I tell them I'm a doctor, then they'll be like respect. No, you have to respect person no matter what, whether they are rich, poor, be it anything. No, respect has no okay. If the other person not respecting you, okay fine, different, एक पट्टी लोग ऐसा understandable. But some people are also like the person does respect, I don't care, they won't थोड़ा भी लागपन and they'll go. So yesterday whole day I'm waiting, at least update I won't be coming. There is some kind of any किती आम्ही बी लोका बरे वयताय जेन्ना मनशां सांगलें उमके टायमार पाव, वी रीच आम इथे गाडये काम बसू कोताय, आम टायमार पावले, तो मनीस 1 hour पासून जायन रावलो, बट ही हॅड नो ऑडेसिटी टू से सॉरी और वॉट एवर. ओके, हांव म्हणना एक पाट एक्सिडेंट जाता, कितें जाता इंटेन्शनली ऑल जाण लेट आसता, वेरी सिट्युएशन्स आसताय. सगळें हांव सोजमोता कित्याक आय वर्क दॅट वे, माय मायंड वर्क्स दॅट वे बाबा. कित्याक हांव तेसोलें जोहान लायक जाय नो ही इज डिफरंट कायंड ऑफ थिंग. and business एश को चलना. Even I tell him okay it doesn't work, but I think in a very different, I don't know whether it is humanity or what it is. Oh, I should make my heart little hard when it comes to such things. Okay, and yesterday I waited. Today also I'm like, it's like 5:30 cross the person not coming, wedding asla maka. Okay, and like White House a wedding, and like I want it tomorrow. So but whatever, be it whoever you want it tomorrow na, you have to make efforts and come within the time given to you. Okay, then just it is a family friend, it becomes काय मोडूंक को मेळना, and if they वक्ता मोडलें, if you be little not even rude, you just talk something nice, meaning which makes sense, they will take in a rude way. Oh, thank you. It's not like that. Unless you start something, you won't understand. But even though when we have not started, we had that common sense. So I don't know what you call it in normal language, but some kind of this you should have, no? सगळें शिकोवपा पडना न्ही बाबा. ओके वा तेंगेलो टायम आहा, तेंगे उमके टायम, बट स्टील ती आपणागे टायम क्रॉस करून हें करता, यू शूड एटलीस्ट अप्रिशिएट. ओके, सो दिस वॉज वन इन्सिडंट लायक दीस हॅपन. आय गेट सो अनॉयड. ओके, बिकॉज हांव मुगेस इतलो फ्री दवरता कित्याचें फाल मोट्टू घरा हें आहा ब्लेसींग. आय लायक shifting the furniture and all that things, or bit any jerseys are hoodies are, it's not like kaina. So that was one incident which happened in business. I hope, meaning halti रावपा जाय हांव ना म्हणना, but it's not like they pay us, understand, we put that much effort, कायच्या काय मान दिना, no, I work that way. Okay, and yeah, very, but some people communicate very well, some people are so bad, they'll just call up and anytime without seeing the time. You should understand also, no, like मातशें तरी. And then that is one case I was so annoyed, म्हाका नाकाच. And see, पयलें कोणाकू whoever does कोण आमकां ऑर्डर करता वी टेल एवरीथींग इट इज सो एंड सो आर द टायमिंग्स तूं परवट जाल्यार तुवें हें करप आसता वॉट्स इन ऑर्डर. Okay, this was one instance. Second instance in happened, there are some people who don't give your money back only, like be it friends, be it family. From here, most of the people are friends, like friends or something, be it neighbors, being anyone, people don't pay you. Meaning, okay, fine, आम तुगे ऑर्डर घेताय, आम वी लायक इन्वेस्ट एवरीवन इन्वेस्ट टायम एफर्ट्स आसता आनी कांयच्या कांय कोताय ती तेंक बोगो आमकां नाका. हुएवर आर लायक charging extra money and doing like giving shitty work, that is not nice. I think मागीर तेंक बोगो. Okay, अरे we first see when you all don't know your own sizes ना, that is a big problem. You all should come one day prior. Okay, like आमने size चोवपा मेळना. No, you all can see, check for yourself. Okay, so एक केस कितें जाली recent, I don't want to expose anyone's name or something. They have रोज टी शर्ट ओली इट वॉज दे हॅव एंड आमगे बील पासून धाडटा आसता थिंग बरयलो आसता नो एक्सचेंज नो नथींग बिकॉज वी कम्युनिकेट सो वेल विथ ईच एंड एवरी वन वी इवन go out of our way for people without taking 1 rupee extra also. We do that because of me and my mother Teresa nature, like and because I, even though that is a bad idea, I feel now I shouldn't do that because people don't appreciate that. And ते जालें and then this person, okay, so thank the दिले. ओके, एक त्या सायज जायना हूंय. ओके, ती सायज एंड इट वॉज ऑल सायज चार्ट धाडल्या. ओके, आनी टी शर्ट 2 धाडी. द पर्सन हॅज नॉट पेड फॉर दोज 2 टी शर्ट्स. लायक आपूण कित्याक पे करूं? I will send you the t-shirts back. Wait, read then, no? How can you send the t-shirts back? But the thing is, the conclusion is, पैसे दिल नाही आणि हेंय दिल ना, टी-शर्टां दिल नाही. And people, I know you तुमगे काजारी जिवीत, all that, तुमकां पयस दिवपा जायना. I don't think so. You all should go and approach any business and all, keep them in this. एश कोन्न दिसता की आपणागेले पयशे मागपा. ओके, मॅक्सिमम आम टेकिंग इवन 50 रुपया व्हडलेशे, बट स्टील 50 रुपया आसा, बट 1000, 2500, इट्स अ बीग थिंग न्हू, बिकॉज वी आर गोईंग इन लॉस. त्या टी शर्ट आम कितें मेळटा, लायक whatever be it, and that people, you all go for honeymoon, you all roam, you all forget it, you all have to pay someone. I'm saying what, at that period we as business owners understand baba tuge hectic ha, but you all should also understand someone is understanding their situation and take time out and see whose money, who is supposed to give whose money what. See that, no, ajun te पैसे येल नाय, त्या मनशान खबर ना, I don't know. Okay, and to ask your own money, I don't know, you feel guilty, like I mean weird. This, I'm not guilty, you feel weird, but even though it is your right, you have to ask only. And then you don't ask, they think we forget and they'll also forget, and then एक सेल्फ जात न्ही, आतां कितें पयशे मागपाचे. पयशे कितचे फॉर मी इट इज पयशे मागोवप मीनिंग like it doesn't mean we don't have money, that's why asking baba. It is, we have put our efforts, hard work, we have arranged for you and we have got it, so we have to be paid, whether even it's 1 rupee. Okay, I know 1 rupee, but still every like every drop matters. I think every 1 rupee matters. Okay, te bashen, so that person not given. Then there is Rosalina thing also, so that also not given. And then there is another fellow, he like sees mota, sees like all Johan's people ali, sees mota, hai mota. And then we asked him, Baba, giving money. He gave half, because normally first time kit kotali, we should like no, we started with advance, give advance. First we should ask full, but कितें जाता, I thought like when we go to order from some कितें some full amount दिले आणि तेम घात केल्या जात न्हू, आतां जाताय न्हू घात पयशे आटेन हुच्या आटेन जाताय, सो फूल दिले आनी आमकां दिना जाल्यार, एंड इट सिंपली इज नॉट लायक यू कॅन डू, यू कॅन डू लिगली, यू कॅन डू, यू कॅन वर्बली, यू कॅन डू, आम सेइंग यू कॅन talk and this, you can go and for this, but then ते भानगड जाता, extra stress येसो, so people avoid that, आसो म्हूण सोडटाय. बट एक ते मनशा, जे मनीस आपूण तेजे पयशे दिवपा, ते परत चोयन उडगास येना काय दिसता म्हाका, लायक what on earth also. Some people are very quick, some people even there was an order in November, ते बाबा मनशान full payment केला, that much some people trust us. So this was that case. अरे बाबा तू रिमाइंड केले, I tell also, I'm messaging people, you also message people, they are not giving. So I think so एक time येतलो where I have to reveal कोण हुंयसो, इतू पयशे दिवपा हाय, then they will, हांव तू येशको कित्याक केलें, nowadays तू कित्याक केलें न्हू, लोक तुक I don't know, they'll murder you also, I think so. ते भाशेन ते दिलना. Another case happened is like what, actually this was like few months back when जो नासलो आहे ना, like he was, तो त्यांना आसपास something like that happened. No, he was not there, he was abroad. And there was a lady, she send the sizes, so and so we send a size chart whether तुम sizes, so that एक एक कोडे साईज चार्ट डिफरंट असता. सो बिकॉज आर डीलर्स सी आमगे एक डीलरा साईज चार्ट डिफरंट असता. दुसरी डीलर वी हॅव लॉट ऑफ डीलर्स. ओके, सो एका वयर सकल जाता. सो वी सेंड दीस, अग्री वेदर यू आर फायन विथ दीस, वी सेंड. And by to instead of giving the saying the groom had double XL, she gave it as XL. So whatever she gave, we gave. Okay, and then she said the t-shirts were nice, it fitted everyone well except the groom because she has given the wrong size. That I told her also, because you gave the wrong size, if you had given the right size, sal jata asle. But the next day a male fellow calls, Goinkar, he calls and like, t-shirt kodna sal jal nahi hoy, this that. I'm like, बाबा त्या मनशान जे ऑर्डर दिली न्हू तेणें आख्खें क्लियर केलें म्हणून. ही वॉन्टेड मनी बॅक. ही वॉन्टेड पयशे बॅक दिसता म्हाका. लायक इतले गोंयकार इतले स्कॅमर आसता. आम दिसता भायले आम घाटी मोठे गोंयचे लोक बी हांव सगळे म्हणा तेसलो जायत आसता. वेन यू डू बिजनस न्हू तूं कोटा कोण रियली लायक हेज अ डॉक्टर एवरी वन इज गोइंग टू रिस्पेक्ट यू ओवर देर. दे विल गोइंग टू डॉक्टर प्लीज दिस दैट बिकॉज इट इज द हियर वॉट हियर. Why will I say anyone comes out doctor? Why will I this? I am a business owner. He is my client, my customer. I will deal with that way. Okay, not because I have a lot of cars, we have a lot of this, lot of no, nothing like that. But some people, even though they know you have so and so, no, they like they talk very nicely. But some are very genuine. Some amazing people also I met to this business. Best people. So they bashen. Okay, so look how this fellow wanted to scam. Then I told him, Baba, that woman whoever gave me order, the related असतो ते केलं. I said everything fitted her except for the size which she gave wrong. That is not our mistake also. That झाले. And then next day एक 1 week we saw our t-shirt, same t-shirt printed. सगळ्यां कितली बरें जाल जाणा. काय येना गोडी ते ग्रुमा मातशें जाला आसता टायट. सम पीपल लायक टायट, सम पीपल लायक लूज. एवरी वन डिफरंट. सम पीपल आर पॉलिएस्टर कोता येता, इवन दो ते झळ कोता येनो. दे बी लायक मातशें थोडो वगत न्ही तो. एंड whatever is convenient to them, whether budget wise, comfortability wise, whatever it is their thing, it is their money, they are going to do. Our thing is we have to do communication and do it very nicely how they want it to be done. If it is communicated nicely, it is presented nicely. Okay, so okay. And this was the money thing I spoke. Another incident was this jerseys. Recently I got an order for the jersey. Okay, I think I'm मुळना खबर ना. बरोबर हांव तुका फाल दाखयता. I have no time आनी कितले गडगड करून उलयता. ओके, एंड सो देर वॉज लायक एक पाटणी म्हाका एशें कोन्न फॅमिली फ्रेंड्सांक घेवपा म्हाका नाका दिसता ऑर्डर. बिकॉज I don't know what, see, for me the business is business. Think to म्हाका to give like I don't feel like I won't think in that basis of family and all. Okay, so people expect free discount, this that, which you respect me, no, you respect us, no, what you think like that. Okay, so ते जालें. So and what saying that तुगेले what I was talking, okay, jersey. Okay, so basically jersey order le, and since we DTF meaning the sheet which roll comes. Okay, so the person wanted a total of 7 DTFs, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 DTF on the jersey te mandilya. But so to print a name and a number, most shops take 250 300 and like that. For we to print all these things, we have just taken 170. Okay, and it is like the person, there's no proper confirmation, there's no proper communication. First they're like, logo this size, then they don't. First, if you all have any logo in mind, give the sizes, give it everything, give it a this. So they're like, first background naka, background zai. And then we told them it has, see, जेन आम दिसता तें तेजेर बरें दिसपाना. वी हैव अ दिस टू टेल, नो, बिकॉज समटायम पीपल like when you give opinions and all, and it's good, no. Then you say तूं म्हाका कित्याक सांगूना एशें कोन्न जाता म्हणून. सो वी गिव, बाबा एशें कोन्न मातशें लायट दिसतलें, तें बारीक गोडी येवपाना. इट्स अ 50-50 thing. Like first they were like, that logo is fine. They sent a PDF where the logo is so small, and they're like, how come it is so small? There was no increase in size. They added another sentence. Whatever they want, they can do with their logo. And the last sentence, they have not done bold. Rest everything is bold. How we can do change anyone's logo? Then, and the jersey colors are very weirdly weird. And it's like, if you have any background, it makes sense. So they cancel zale. I have lost my cool. to, like, most people will, I think so, charge more to sit with such people at an out from the time when it's not a working time, okay, when you're resting, chilling, or whatever time, zalo this sort of time. But now what happens is, first it is okay एकलो मोठा मातशें वयर गे, and this I before I print हांव सदला फोटो धाडटा एशें कोन्न येतलें, even though whether it is हांव मुगे सायडी सेफ रावता, so that the person also has an idea how it will come and all. So ते भाशेन दिसलें अमके कलराचें अमकें बरें दिसपा ना, we tell first only. And ते जालें, आम सायज केलें, आम मेजर कोन and everything, and they send it so small. On the one just like so small, okay, other just like so big, and then one person says this formation is good, the other person that formation not good, some, and it is so complicated, then like na हे सारकें दिसना, ते background असल्या बरें दिसता. It went literally dragging for so many days, but अजून पासून एक पार्ट like when you are like full enthusiast, I'll be printing this today, I'll be this today, you go in that you take that energy with you. But then when this happens, इतली उगमोण येता जाणा, like I'm talking with you all, I'm just as a business owner, we have to go, like we can't be like okay I'm गेलो आनी करूं पडटलें, and you do nicely. Just because they have made so much complication doesn't mean I complicate their things. Okay, I do so much now, मग ते आतां इतू दीस जाता हांव दुसऱ्यांगे सगळें मान काडना, मग ते मारूंकू दिसना. बट DTF येयलो ना खरें, तेका लागून लायक वन्स एवरीथींग कम्स आय डू इट, हांव दाखयता तुमकां. आज कांय दाखोवपान, आज I will start doing it today. If I start doing that today, I will start a vlog also, a new vlog. But this was it. So केसलें कोणाय बिजनस बारीक जावं व्हड जावं वॉटेवर बिजनस ते बिजनस, इतले त्रास पडटा हे, जेन्ना तूं कोत्ता तें काम तेन्ना कळटा हाव यू हॅव टू डील विथ लायक डील विथ पीपल. सगळे मनीस बरो आसताय ना, कळटा की ते लोक कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, एंड देन द ऑडेसिटी टू आस्क टू डिले थिंग्स, एंड केन्ना मेळटलें, अजून जालें ना. I'm like, first of all, y'all, if y'all want it urgent, y'all don't have that money to pay extra, but y'all have the big mouth to speak. कितले त्रास वयताय. I feel like charging at least another 1,000 for the efforts, because ते DTF कट करपा. सो आपूण एकू तूं बी हांव तें दाखयनासलें, इट विल बी एक्सपोजर, लायक एकू लोगो न्हू, जस्ट बिकॉज they like the size of the other this, and they want the writings of the other thing. You have to cut एक logo, I have to cut 3 times and just swap it with this and this and do it. I'm not saying if I charge that much, you say what is the thing best. If you all had to design it and send, have a nice conversation, this wouldn't happen. Like confirmations also after one day, and एक एजात no, I'm not saying like hey, it's not like तुम business वालों y'all भोगो को, but I know if you have to go, if you want to become an owner first, if you have to become an owner, you have to become a laborer first, definitely. And there's no shame in that. Whatever business, there is no shame. Any profession, there is no shame. As far as you're bringing, it's your hard-earned money, that's getting food on your plate, then yeah. all जाण कोताय ते मीनिंग ऑल द स्कॅम फ्रॉड जावं म्हणटा बेश्टें दिन चड पयशे घेतात, गॉड वील सी दॅट. आय एम नॉट सेयींग इट, बट दीस आर द इंस्टन्स वीच हॅपन्ड विथ मी. ऑल जाण इफ तुमगे बजेटा भायर आमगे कॅटलॉग धाडटा, बजेटा भायर तें एक्स्ट्रा इतू केल्यार येतलें मेळटलें. आम ऑलरेडी तें सगळें बोन मीनिंग डिस्कावंट बिलान सगळे रेट्स केलो आहाय, बिकॉज जेन्ना तूं कोत्ता तूं कळटा. आय एम नॉट सेयींग लायक एवरीथींग इज डिफिकल्ट, इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट, ओके. इट इज लायक कोण जायना, यू शूड जस्ट हॅव दॅट what's the himmat, like you can say, to do it. Nothing is difficult, it's just like get the rope. But only thing is like people complicate it. I know you all want, like if you all communicate nicely, we can also get a picture of what you exactly want and create exactly whatever be it. Talk to any business owner, whether तो मनीस थिंग रसाम रेडी किता या तो मनीस खूंय कितें जावं, बरे भाशेन उलोवपा जाय, okay. Because they are also, just because they are doing that work doesn't mean they are like सारके ते भाशेन. And most, it's not like rosa t-shirt like भायले लोक कोण घेता. It's like go once and see how people are. Go on, that who are abroad and having lot of money and so much are doing so much things. Just तुमको जाय ना कोना काय, simple ना. Why you want so much of this? This is just me talking to you all, but somehow I understand how other business deal with people. It is not easy. It is not easy how it seems from the outside. Half your brain cells are dead, like, आख्खो दीस हे भाशेन कितलो राग येता एंड समटायम्स यू कांट सी एनीथींग यू आर नॉट यू जस्ट हॅव टू टॉक इन अ वेरी नायस टोन यू कांट yell or fight with people until they start something. Okay, so this was my scene. I don't know if I'm missing out something, but yeah, पयशे दिनाय इवन लीव ऑफ बिजनस नॉर्मल पासून लोक वत्ताय न्ही कोणाय पयशे दिनाय हे आनी केसल्यांनी सी यू फील सो गिल्टी लायक गिल्टी नो वियर्ड आपणाक गेले पयशे तेंक हेल्प एक मनीस दीत नो डजंट मीन तूं तुगे तो फेस जालो यू फॉरगेट दॅट थिंग आय डोंट लायक सच थिंग्स लिटल इनजस्टीस आनी इनइक्वॉलिटी जाले म्हणटा मुगे नेरवां जाता यू कॅन लिटरली कॉल मी नेरवांचे पण म्हणटा I was only dealing with patients, you know. You go there, everyone talks. I know there are some patients who ask 1,000 questions, but that is their doubts also. No, you have to clear. If they won't ask us, who they will ask? Other they'll Google and Google will ask something else, and then another headache it is. So here also, even people ask, we reply nicely, but very complicated people are. They want cheap also, they want fast also. Unless they do business and they'll understand, and that time it's a big issue. ओके सो मुगे सारको दीस येसान सारके बकवास एश वयताय एंड आय थिंक सो नाव इट्स हाय टायम आय एंड द विडियो ऑल्सो कितें ऑलमोस्ट 30 minutes जावपा येतले एंड नाव इफ आय स्टार्ट प्रिंटींग आय वील start a new vlog. So this is for all the business owners or people who are like, you know, कोण पयशे दिवपा I understand the feeling definitely. दिना इसरोताय सारकी आनी तुम सगळें करे काजार मस्त करे हनीमून करे जाय तें करे पूण जे कोणाके दिवपा जाय ते दिवपा त्या मनशाक कितू बॅड फील जाता न्हू हें दिनाच न्ही आपणाकय करता एशें कोन्न जायना like very like any business it takes a lot to just see when we started YouTube also okay to criticism now also there's hardly criticism as such एक सांगपा जायना it is like when you at a open public this okay people will criticize you try to get you down like कितू लोकांक कित म्हणलां आसतलें assume केलां आसतलें doesn't matter we have reached now where we have to reach it's fine for us we are going at a slow phase it's fine who wants to we are not in competition with anyone or something like konagi business we are not even bothered who's doing what like if someone tells us to share their post we do that there's no harm like even be it other person has a t-shirt business so am teshko kai na there's no issues even be it candle also we amko zaina we are booked with lot of orders we give it to others that is how it works no but people have jealousy and all and it's complicated people complicated clients and all I understand now patients are at least way better but the clients who are normal the people who are sick at least are better but the people who are like normal and fit and fine are the one who not all not all that also I'm saying not all so that's it एक एक दिसा नाक जात सारकेच न्हू वचून सर 100 क्वेश्चन विचारतले आनी कांय ऑर्डर दिवपा ना लायक वेस्टींग युअर टायम लायक वॉट एवर बरें रेस्पेदान उलयल्यार बरें दिसता like it's good to respect or whatever not only when you're working abroad or you're working thing look at even when I seen people who work abroad they respect anyone over there oh thanks this that kote गोंया येयले म्हणटा कोण कोणा थँक्यू सेक्युरिटी थँक्यू म्हणटा ब्लिंकीट कारा थँक्यू म्हणटा झोमॅटो ते मनीस न्ही एक बट सम पीपल आर मजबूर टू ओ सम पीपल लव डुईंग दॅट इट्स लायक their choice no who are we to this but odds and if they are you know, those people are this and they are very complicated as in like you know shapo sangta jala thank my that is a different scenario altogether so a lot of problems more as a business owner we face this even the bridal pasu kota it's like to get certain raw materials see marge mete but इतल्या marge ikpa pota cut घेवपा पडटा तितलो लोकांना कसो you have to find good material good everything and get this odds and what some people do just get ready-made बी सगळें मेळटा some people like तुका जाय ते कर मुगे हो कलर तेंक म्हणटा then people ready-made जायत मेळटा ना मेळना पूण if you're getting that only at a higher price then what are you going to sell it for if you're getting it at a good price then people that is their way of making money but after this also I understand how every business owner feels and but yeah we all are doing good in like you have to keep going no matter what happens and लोकांक कितें म्हणू some people are jealous तेका लागून ते ऑल मनशां धाडटाय बी ते भाशेन तेजे बरी वस and then you know तेंचें नांव पिड्यार कर अशें को बी आसता okay there are a lot of things which happen when you run a business when you have jealous people I don't know around and all that so keeping भरपूर उलयलां हांव keeping all that aside मागीर ताळ पासून गेलो I will end this video. And no, I'm not saying any business is hard. You just starting, you need that right amount of support. Even if there's one person, we had no one like supporting us at that great levels. कोटा कोण तुगे पोस्ट शेअर करना कोण फ्रेंडा तूं मुखार गेलो जाय अशें करून सगळें कळटा. इट गिव्स यू अ बेसीक थिंग, एक conclusion अशें मेळटा. ओके, एंड everyone who want to start a business also start doing business. And तुगे starting struggle आसता, पण then if you're doing good, you're being true to your work, not cheating, ditching, it goes a very high level. We didn't have any background of business, like as in तो पासून t-shirt बेश्टें तशें करून मान नासलें, but that his was the photography and that kind of thing. So this is all out of our box. So yeah, just because our work is good, we आम इतली सारकी फेमस न्ही सारकी इंस्टाग्रामाचे आमगे पब्लीक अकाउंट आनी हें तें, बट जो कोण वळखता, पीपल हॅव अ नॉलेज नो. सो ते भाशेन. एंड दॅट्स इट गायज, हिंगाच विडियो एंड करता. एंड ऑल्सो आय एम गोइंग टू मोटिवेट पीपल दॅट डू बिजनस. इट इज वे बेटर दॅन 9 to 5. ओके, वे बेटर, बट यू शूड हॅव समथींग दॅट यू नो तुका मातशें कितें आसपा जाय पयशे टू स्टार्ट एनीथींग. बिकॉज इफ यू गो फॉर जॉब, that money on that you can buy something. Then if to get एक part business high power, then you can think about it. But some people do leave their 9 to 5 job and do these things, because you can be your own boss, do whatever you want. And you all definitely start it. No business is hard. I'm not saying this business is not that easy also. It has its own pro and cons. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for listening to my 31 minute video. Okay, and mogaso, good night, sweet dreams, take care, and do share, subscribe, like and comment if you like this or relate to me. Okay, if you all want to still criticize or do something, you're free to do so also down. Then I will come up with another video, okay, that gives me another content, because I love talking. So mogaso, bye bye.